We're right now at the Chateau Fairmont in Lake Louise. And of course, just chillaxing right now.
How you feeling, Corey?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing? Okay. They give you a little treat before you come in. Oh,
It's me, Mario.
and also water. I didn't even realize.
It's me, Mario.
And apparently Mario. What are you doing, Mumway? Trying to tell us where to go next? Where are we gonna go next, Mumway?
Okay.
This is a view of Lake Louise.
So we're gonna go skating or ice fishing later. You can see the people walking along the lake right here.
And I can make snowman.
Yes.
Mario.
Yeah. It's Thanksgiving week, and to pay
We're in Canada.
to give thanks, we left America to Canada to celebrate Thanksgiving. So this is how we're gonna
today is
spend our
Christmas.
Thanksgiving. No, it's Thanksgiving.
Christmas.
It's beautiful.
And every day is Christmas.
Yeah. Hi, we're on Lake Louise, literally right on the ice right now. So let me show you around. So this is, let me see if you can see the ice. Yeah, you can see right through the ice right here. And then there's this. Here's get a beautiful shot. Here's the Fairmont Hotel. And this is the artistic photo shot right here. Right there. Beautiful. So Lake Louise is about 2.5 hours from Calgary. And it's about $300 to rent a private driver to come out here. And if you want to rent skates, it's about a 5-minute drive to the village. And then you can skate on the lake. Not sure my iPhone is doing this view justice here, because it's really beautiful here. Let's get another shot of the reflection. Wonder how cold this water is. Polar bear swim.
And here comes Johnson with his Olympic style. Wow! He makes fellow Canadians proud. What do you call that move?
It's going.
Beach whale.
I think I broke a rib.